Welcome guys to my new YouTube video. We are back to working out. We are back to recording at least the PUB drive, and now we are on the way. We actually going to head back today in a little bit of cardio, probably 20 minutes, and from there, of course, I will be are you gonna go or no, bro? Damn. And then from there, of course, I will be chill on the night after I make some dinner. I'll be chill with a friend, and we're just gonna be playing probably a little bit of video games and just chill for the night. So yeah, let me actually check this message real quick. All right, so we are on the way. We're hitting Armed. I'm sorry. Damn, I forgot. Oh, I'm hitting back today and doing cardio. So I have my phone ready. I have everything ready. I have my straps with me, so I can hold very good on grip. 7:30. It's way earlier of when I go in the nights. Hope it's not a lot of people there. I'm actually very hungry, not gonna lie to you. Like very hungry. So I got some potatoes that I'm gonna make when I get home. Mashed potatoes with a little bit of butter and you know, salt and corn. And yeah, no meat. I already ate one tuna today, so I actually don't have any meat, which I'm gonna have to go to the store, get meat. I'm probably gonna get meat tomorrow because I'm actually going in the morning. I'm actually gonna drive Walmart tomorrow. I might have to drive to Costco too, so I might do that tomorrow. Goodness, people, man, going crazy slow. Like, come on, buddy. Gotta get to work. So pretty much done for the day. I'm actually done with work. Damn, I'm cold, bro. Pretty much done with work. Done with everything that I needed to do. I'm actually gonna do some stuff on the computer. Probably research a little bit about some stuff that I'm actually thinking for next year. Studying a little bit, and then of course I'm gonna chill for the night. So I want to be home by 9. It's actually, that's very late. I wanted to be at the gym at 7 at least. It's 7:35 and probably gonna be there by 7:38, 40 probably. So, but it is what it is. I'm gonna try to work out efficient. So let's get it. Sure. Looking, I'm seeing this guy with no lights. Like, what's going on, bro? we're at the gym already. So let's get to work out here. Actually very hungry, guys. Like, not gonna lie, I feel like dead hungry, for real. But it is what it is. I think this time is kind of crazy on the gym, so we'll see. I'm not really sure because I've never been. I don't think I've been in this time, but all right, let's check it out. We here already. All right, see you guys. All right, as always, ended the workout, ended the cardio. Now we're going home, so I'll be home by around 9 o'clock, as I said I was gonna be. Say 48, 49. So I think I'll be home around 10 or a little bit before that. I'm taking highway today. I kind of feel very tired. For those that don't know, I work out an hour and 5 minutes, or an hour 10 minutes, and then from there I hit 20, 25, 30 minutes of cardio. And I think I have about around 2 weeks doing it without stopping. I've been working out for a couple of years, 2 years, but I haven't been doing cardio at all. So now that I have incorporated cardio into my life, I have been feeling better, stronger, way more results than ever. So testosterone, I think I feel way more better than ever. Even though my best shape in my life was actually last year, where I didn't have any, like, very little fat percentage. So now I have a lot more. So whew, gonna work out. Oh, sorry, we're going to do some dinner now. Making some potatoes, something for me to be able to, you know, eat something and not die on the night, basically. Hope you enjoy the drive. It's a little bit windy, so let me actually do this. I'm actually thinking of moving to Florida. I've been looking around, seeing information about it after my graduation. I kind of want to find like a job over there, and I think I want to move there. I have a lot of reasons, and one of the reasons is because the beach is closed. I love the beach. Another reason is I have the only family that I have in the States is there, my cousin. Then I have some contacts that kind of do the things the thing that I want to do, which is a mortgage loan officer. So it's kind of like I think I'm gonna go there to live after graduation. So I'm kind of researching, looking for information, looking for the things that I need for me to be able to go ahead and do it in the future. So yeah, it's a big movement in my life. It's a big movement where, you know, I have to decide and go ahead and literally finish my career. And as soon as I finish, you know, get licensed with you know, a license for selling loans, basically, and getting commission from it, and plus my degree, plus that I speak Spanish and English, and my ability to do and learn, you know, I want to finish my career and kind of try to make, I don't know, probably I want to make more than 55 grand a year. You know, I want to finish my degree and go ahead and make that money, which is hard, but with license, with my abilities, with experience that I have to, you know, I'm gonna turn 2 years on the company that I work for on April. So that's gonna be 2 years there, plus the other companies I've been working for, and you know, the communication skills on the phone, emails and stuff like that, you know, it's pretty good. So I hope by that time I'm able to do it, or if not, a couple more months, and then try to see if I can leave this state. I don't really like South Carolina that much, but I think I want to be licensed on the thing that I want to do in the future here and Florida. I think it's good for me to do it on both. There's a lot of growth in real estate here in South Carolina. For those people that don't know, I live in the Greenville area, and there's a lot of houses, there's a lot of land, there's a lot of, you know, it's cheaper than any, you know, those Florida, New York, and a lot of people are moving here. So which actually, that's making things to get high on price, you know. So for people that have been living in Florida or New York, you know, they don't see that it's expensive. But for us, for people that live in South Carolina, that have the income of South Carolina, is different, you know, because things are going up, you know. And I have feel it. I have 3 years here, and well, actually I have been getting groceries for about a year, because I used to live on campus on my college, but things were not this price. It was not that high. Like when I moved to my apartment in December of 2024, it was way different. Like prices of 60 eggs on Walmart was like probably $9 and 63 cents, something like that, something crazy. Now right now it's about 13, but it got to the point where it was like 26, and everything just seems very expensive. Everything is just very expensive. You want to go out, you want to go have some fun, whatever, you're gonna want to go to a restaurant or stuff like that, you know, you gotta be ready for spending like easily 100, 200, 300 bucks. It's crazy. It's crazy. If you have a girl, you go to a nice restaurant where, you know, you're gonna have a nice service, nice view, or whatever, you know, you gotta be ready. Like, you gotta be ready to spend money, because everything is very expensive, and it's actually gonna get higher and higher and higher over time. So it is what it is. Now we are going to make some potatoes now, because I'm very hungry, not gonna lie. Whew. Like very hungry, guys. So I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm gonna do this and get to work on something, and then yeah, see you guys in the next video.